I'm trying to finally try my rice and peas or some of the ground beef. People, anybody on here know to deal with this fridge? This landlord brought me a new fridge yesterday. These custodian guys, they don't know how to fix nothing. And the people from the management office, none of them is there. So today this fridge, there's just a beeping song every minute. It's not freezing anything. Thank God I have a deep freeze. Not freezing nothing. I don't know, understand. This is a brand new fridge. I just called Home Depot. I think they say they bought it at Home Depot. They give me a number, but nobody's there now. Somebody give me some input. I'm trying to watch some YouTube video. Help me out here.